Your life is a canvas, painted with every choice you make. Every day is a new chance to rewrite your story. Don't let fear hold you back from pursuing your dreams. Believe in yourself, even when no one else does. Your struggles are temporary, but your strength is permanent. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. You are stronger than you think, braver than you feel, and smarter than you know. Don't give up on your goals. Keep pushing forward. Your future is waiting, and it's brighter than you imagine. You got this. Go out there and make it happen.